Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best running shoes for beginners and pros in 2025. Whether you're just getting into running or you're already logging serious weekly miles, this list will help you pick the perfect shoe for your goals. Running shoes have evolved a lot in the past few years. Better foam, lighter builds, smarter designs, and 2025 might be the strongest year yet. So let's jump right into the lineup. Starting off at number 10, we have the Adidas Adizero SL 2025. This shoe has become a favorite for runners who want something lightweight, fast, and surprisingly affordable for a performance model. Adidas upgraded the midsole foam this year, combining Lightstrike 2.0 with Energy Rod tech to give runners a softer yet more responsive ride. Beginners love it because it's forgiving and easy to run in, while more experienced runners appreciate how quick it feels during tempo workouts or interval sessions. The upper is highly breathable, making it a great shoe for summer training and long sessions. The outsole has improved grip for wet European and UK roads, which is a major win for runners who deal with unpredictable weather. It's also a good transition shoe if you're aiming to step up from casual trainers to something more performance-oriented. Who is this shoe perfect for? If you're a beginner looking to get faster, or a pro seeking a lightweight daily trainer that doesn't break the bank, the Adizero SL 2025 fits perfectly. It's versatile, durable enough for 300-400 miles, and comfortable for nearly any type of run, and this is just the start. Our list gets even better from here. Let's move on to number 9, a shoe known for its incredible comfort and stability. At number 9, we have the Brooks Ghost Max 2025, a shoe built for runners who want maximum comfort without sacrificing stability. Brooks is known for making some of the most reliable running shoes on the market, and the Ghost Max takes that to the next level. It's especially great for beginners because it helps soften the impact on every stride, reducing knee and ankle stress, something new runners struggle with most. The midsole features the new DNA Loft V4 technology, offering plush cushioning while still keeping the shoe lightweight. If you're someone who values a smooth, stable ride, this shoe is going to feel like heaven. Long-distance runners also appreciate how the Ghost Max helps conserve energy over time, making long runs feel easier and more controlled. The wider base provides added stability, which is perfect for runners who tend to overpronate or need extra support for flat feet. That makes this shoe ideal for both casual joggers and marathon trainees. The upper material has also been redesigned to give a more secure lockdown, keeping your foot in place even during faster paces. One of the biggest strengths of the Ghost Max is its versatility. You can take it on daily runs, long sessions, or recovery days. It's not the fastest shoe on the list, but it stands out for comfort, something every runner appreciates. If you're someone who logs a lot of miles each week, or you're a beginner who wants something safe, supportive, and comfortable, the Brooks Ghost Max should definitely be on your radar. Now that we've covered comfort and stability, let's step into a shoe that's built for speed but still beginner-friendly. Shoe number 8 is one you've probably seen everywhere lately. Next on the list at number 8 is the New Balance Fresh Foam X 1080 V4T, one of the most comfortable running shoes ever made. New Balance has perfected its fresh foam formula, and the 2025 version feels even softer, smoother, and more responsive than previous years. This shoe is loved by beginners for its forgiving cushioning and by pros for its ability to handle long mileage. The standout feature here is the plush midsole. It absorbs impact beautifully, making it ideal for new runners or people returning after injury. The ride feels balanced, not too soft, not too firm. Whether you're going on a slow jog or a 10K training run, the 1080 V14 performs beautifully. The upper uses engineered mesh with stretch zones that adapt to different foot shapes. Wide foot runners especially love this shoe because New Balance offers multiple width options, something many brands don't. If you've ever struggled with cramped toes or pressure points, this shoe could be the solution. Durability is another major win. The outsole rubber is thick and grips well on both road and light gravel paths. Many runners report getting over 500 miles in older versions of the 1080, and this new model looks just as promising. Who is this shoe best for? Beginners who want comfort, pros who want a reliable daily trainer, and anyone who values cushioning above all else. It's the type of shoe you can trust for almost anything: long runs, recovery runs, or easy day mileage. But if you're looking for something lighter and faster, our next shoe is going to impress you. At number 7, we're stepping into a running shoe that changed the game in 2025. Coming in at number 7 is the Hoka Clifton 11, a shoe that continues to dominate the running world thanks to its incredible cushioning and stability. Hoka has built a reputation for creating shoes that are lightweight yet highly cushioned, and the Clifton 11 is a perfect example of this blend done right. The midsole uses the upgraded CME VA foam, giving runners a soft yet responsive ride. Beginners love the smooth rocker motion, which helps guide your foot forward with less effort. It's especially useful for runners who struggle with form or fatigue because the rocker shape reduces the load on your calves and ankles. The shoe feels incredibly light, considering the amount of cushioning it delivers. This combination makes the Clifton 11 ideal for daily running, whether you're doing a light 3K or going for a longer 15K session. The heel and ankle support have also been updated to provide a more secure fit without friction or blister concerns. Hoka also improved the outsole durability this year, addressing previous complaints about the Clifton wearing out quickly. This new version handles pavement much better and grips well on wet roads, making it perfect for UK runners dealing with rain. Who should consider the Clifton 11? Beginners who want effortless comfort, marathon trainees who need a reliable daily trainer, and advanced runners looking for a smooth, easy-day shoe. It's also amazing for injury-prone runners because of its joint-friendly cushioning. Next, we're moving into a shoe built for speed, one that both beginners and pros are obsessed with. Let's reveal number 6 on the list. At number 6, we have the Nike Pegasus 42, one of the most iconic everyday trainers in running history. Nike has refined the Pegasus year after year, and the 2025 edition brings major improvements in responsiveness, comfort, and durability. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first real running shoe or a seasoned athlete, the Pegasus has something to offer. The midsole features the updated ReactX foam, giving the shoe a more energetic bounce underfoot. It feels more responsive than previous models, making it perfect for tempo runs and daily training. The 4-foot Zoom Air unit adds an extra layer of spring, making the ride feel lively without being unstable. The Pegasus 42 upper uses an engineered mesh that adapts to your foot for a glove-like fit. The lockdown is secure, especially around the heel, which keeps your foot from slipping during faster paces. Nike also improved breathability this year, making the shoe more comfortable during summer training. Durability has always been a strong point for the Pegasus line, and this year is no different. Many runners easily hit 400-500 miles with these shoes, making them one of the best value picks in the entire market. The Pegasus 42 works for nearly every type of run: easy jogs, fast intervals, distance runs, or even casual walking. Beginners love how easy it is to run in, while advanced runners appreciate how versatile it is in training cycles. If you want a shoe that can truly do everything, the Pegasus 42 is a must-consider. But our next pick brings even more speed and explosiveness. Let's jump into number 5. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the top running shoes for 2025, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which shoe you want reviewed next.